Hi guys, I'm going to review how to do number 4 with you. So I wrote down my first factor, which is 2x squared, and then I'm going to write 2x underneath that, and then I'm going to write 2. And I'm going to spend time finding the greatest common factor. This one, I think you could probably tell, since the only factors of 2 are 1 and 2, that the greatest common factor of all of these is going to be 2. So we need to look at the variables. This one has 2 x's. This one has 1 x. This one has no x. So we're not going to circle any x's because they don't all have x's in common. So we're going to come over here and we're going to write 2 outside our parentheses. And we're going to divide each of these by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is just going to be 1. And we know that we can write that 1 if we want, or we do not have to. So I'm just going to put the x squared down because nothing's going to mess with the x squared. It's just going to stay. And then we have 2x divided by 2, and I'm just going to put the x down again because 2 divided by 2 is 1. And then here we have 2 divided by 2. We need to make sure that we hold a space for that by putting a minus 1. Okay, and there's a minus sign here, and negative divided by a positive is a negative, so we're going to keep our negative sign here. We have to hold the space of this, and so that's why we write a 1, because 2 divided by 2 is 1. Now, if you wanted to check your work, you could do the distributive property, which you've learned already this year and in past years. So you would do 2 times 2x squared for 2x squared, 2 times x for 2x, and 2 times negative 1 for negative 2. And this answer here should match what you started with up here. But this here is your answer.